Hello, my name is Scott Kidd. I'm the Vice President of Food and Beverage at Live Casino in Hanover, Maryland. Welcome to my kitchen today. I'm going to share with you some recipes leading up to Father's Day. And so this is one of those. This is a jalapeno popper that is delicious. We're going to stuff this jalapeno today with cream cheese, some lump crab meat, and some fresh herbs, wrap it in bacon, and we're going to finish these in the air fryer. So if you've never had an air fryer oven, we'll be demonstrating that here shortly. Jalapeno poppers have been around for a number of years, since the early 1980s. I'm sure you may have enjoyed them deep fried on the grill. Maybe you made them yourself. This is a great recipe. Don't be scared off by the jalapeno. Once you take the seeds out, the heat's going to be a very pleasant heat when you eat it. And so to make these is very simple. You can make, if you want to make variations of this recipe, you can certainly use goat cheese or other cheese and other fillings. I like this recipe because you have the sweetness of the crab, creaminess of the cheese, you have the saltiness of the bacon, and then you have the heat from the jalapeno pepper itself. So when you make these, the point is you don't want to overfill them. All right, you give a nice, split your jalapenos in half, fill them up nicely, and then we're going to roll these in bacon. And you want to wrap these tightly because when you roast these in your air fryer, the bacon is actually going to shrink down around the jalapeno itself. So come right around, and then we're going to secure all this with a nice skewer and hold the bacon in place. So as you can see, the recipe online is going to make about 12 to 14 of these jalapenos, depending on the size of jalapeno that you buy. And now we're ready to go to our air fryer. So we'll be right back at our air fryer. All right, welcome back. We're at our air fryer oven now. There's a number of these on the market now that you can purchase. This just happens to be a particular brand that was given to me as a gift. The beauty about this is that you're going to be cooking these literally with very hot heated air that's circulated around the product, so it cooks very quickly and it seals it. Now these air fryer temperatures are usually preset, about 390 degrees, and then you're going to set the time. So we're going to start with 8 minutes and we'll come back and check on it. So we'll see you in about 8 minutes. All right, we're ready to come out of our air fryer. And what you can see here, within 8 minutes, we've got these beautiful poppers. Bacon's nice and crunchy and without being overcooked. We've got our cheese just oozing out of between the bacon. And again, these are easy to make ahead. They're delicious and great appetizer, great complement to any dinner. So take a little time, check out the recipe online, enjoy these, have a great day.